Hello and welcome to PPLIO. This video is a quick guide to installing the PPLIO People Connect app on your Mac. For the best performance, we recommend a Mac with a 64-bit ARM or Intel-based processor, 8 GB of RAM, and Rosetta installed. You will receive an invitation email from PPLIO containing the download link and installation guide. Once your download is complete, open PPLIO peopleconnect.dmg and drag PPLIO peopleconnect.app into your Applications folder. Next, go to your Applications folder and launch PPLIO peopleconnect.app. The app requires access to system events and input monitoring. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to grant these permissions, including any gatekeeper requests. To verify these permissions are granted, move to System Settings, select Accessibility, and ensure the toggle for PPLIO is on. Navigate to Input Monitoring and see if the toggle is on. Just restart the machine after this. You'll need to open the app manually the first time from the Applications folder. After that, PPLIO People Connect will launch automatically whenever you log in, ensuring a seamless experience. Once the app opens, you'll be prompted to verify your account. Enter your organizational email ID and click Continue. Check your inbox, including spam or junk folders, for a verification email from PPLIO. Enter the OTP from the email and click Verify. After verification, review and accept the consent agreement by clicking I agree. You'll then be asked to set your work schedule by entering your start and finish times. If prompted, select your manager from the drop-down list. Finally, click Save My Work Profile to confirm your details. Once completed, the PPLIO Launchpad will appear and you're ready to get started. Thank you for watching.